Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a very large Hygiene fragrance haul and I am so excited. I have been getting really into hygiene videos on YouTube. I will link some of my favorites down below, some of my favorite hygiene YouTubers. I have been nonstop watching these people like all week, and also on TikTok, and I've kind of been expanding my body care and hygiene products. So I went out and did a little bit of shopping trying to find certain scents that sounded really good to me that all these people have been hyping up. And I also am going to show you guys at the end of this video like how I organize everything in my bathroom, because I did buy a new organizer for everything. But I just love scents. I love to smell good. It is one of my favorite things. So I bought some new stuff and I hope you guys will enjoy this video. Also, this video is sponsored by Dossier. If you guys have not heard of them yet, they actually make designer dupe fragrances, but they are high quality. They use really great ingredients for the skin as well. And I must say, I just tried out my first couple of Dossier perfumes and I am seriously hooked on it. I had the Ambery Saffron from my last Dossier sponsored video I did, and this is a dupe for the Baccarat Rouge. And this is probably my all-time favorite. This seriously lasts on my clothes for days. It is so intense and so strong, but not overpowering when you spray it. It just has that very long lasting power. Most of their scents are only $29, which is super affordable, and the dupes are very spot on from the ones that I've tried that I own. But today I wanted to feature a new one. I just got in the Fruity Honey from them. This is what the bottle looks like. It has the notes on the bottle, and this is a dupe for the Nectarine Blossom and Honey from Jo Malone, which you guys know those retail for like $120, and this one is like you're getting $100 off for basically the same scent. This smells incredible. If you guys really like a light, fresh, and fruity fragrance, this is gorgeous. I'm gonna wear this so much for spring and summer. I'm not really into like musky floral notes, so this is perfect for me. And what's nice is they actually include a little mini in your order as well, so you'll want to try this one first to make sure it's something that you like before getting into the full size, because then if you hate it, you can return this for your money back. They did give me a coupon code if you guys are interested in checking out the Dossier fragrances. I've been obsessed with them, so I'll have that linked down below. I just need them to start making some Killian dupes and we will be all set, because I have been wanting to try some of their scents for so long. So Dossier, please start making some Killian dupes. I need them in my life. They have tons of high-end brands though, from like Tom Ford, YSL, and Jo Malone. So let's go ahead and get into the haul. So we're gonna start the haul off with some goodies from Tree Hut. I used to use their scrubs back in the day when I used to work at Ulta. All the employees would rave about these scrubs and I tried them and really loved them. I stopped using scrubs for a while. I don't know why. I just was feeling lazy, I guess, but now I'm kind of like doing the full shower routine, so I do use scrubs like every other time almost, and especially before I shave, this is essential. So they've been coming out with some new scents because they've just been so hyped up on TikTok. These are selling out everywhere, but you can find them at Ulta, Target, Walmart. I think that's the main stores that carry Tree Hut. This is the new ones I picked up. So I got the Cotton Candy. These are so nice on the skin. They have a pretty good grit to them. But I will say the scents are very light when smelling them. Like this cotton candy one, I don't really think it smells like cotton candy. It's just very fruity, a little bit sugary, but I wish it did have a stronger scent throw. And then I also picked up this one, which is the Tropic Glow, which also goes with this. I bought these together, the body butter and the scrub. And on TikTok, apparently someone said that this was a spot-on dupe for the Sol de Janeiro Boom Boom Cream. But I have to deny that fact. I don't think it is a dupe. I'm someone that like loves Sol de Janeiro Boom Boom Cream, like live and breathe. I know that scent in and out. This is not the same to me like at all, but it is very nice. I think why people thought it was a dupe is because it is supposed to be firming and it does have the pistachio note in here, but it's not as strongly scented as the Sol de Janeiro. So I do have the scrub, and it is a very nice kind of light sweet scent, a little bit of that pistachio note. And I also picked up the body butter, which is the whipped Shea body butter. Now I actually really like the consistency of this. I kind of want to try more in the line. I just wish they had a stronger scent throw, but this feels so hydrating on the skin. It's nice and lightweight. It sinks right in, and it just feels like my skin is like had a fresh drink of water. It's so good. So I did pick up these. I do like the scent, but if you're expecting it to be a dupe for Sol de Janeiro, sadly, I don't think it's a dupe. Alright, next I'll show you guys what I picked up at Victoria's Secret. I haven't purchased a Victoria's Secret scent in so long. I used to be really into their body sprays and stuff, but I kind of like outgrew it. But they came out with this new collection, and I'm really feeling these scents. They were doing like a 3 for $30, so I picked up their new La Creme collection, which is so good. So first thing we got is the Bare Vanilla La Creme. This smells amazing. I actually don't own the original Bare Vanilla scent from them, so a lot of people really like it. I used to be into the OG Vanilla Lace. Apparently they don't make it anymore, which makes me so sad, but Vanilla Lace is so good. It smelled like pure vanilla extract to me. I wish I could get another like spray of it because I miss it so much. This one is kind of similar if you guys like those vanilla notes. It's super creamy, a very light vanilla, and very warm fragrance. It smells delicious. So I did pick this one up. I did also pick up the lotion, but I really don't like their lotions. I have not tried their lotions in such a long time, and these just did not feel hydrating at all. So I may end up maybe returning this and just get the original Bare Vanilla fragrance mist. And like they don't have hardly any scent throw, and this one kind of smelled like peppermint for some reason. So I don't recommend their lotions, but if you want like a light mist, I'm really liking this La Creme line. And then I also bought the Love Spell La Creme. I used to wear Love Spell all the time in high school. So good. This brings me back, you guys. But the La Creme, I like it a little bit more, I think, because it does have that creamy note to it. It has notes of peach blossom, cashmere woods, and creme de la love spell. This is so nice and light, just very fruity, fresh smelling. I really enjoy the creme version, so I definitely recommend those. I wonder if they will have them maybe for the semi-annual sale. They usually do that around the same time as Bath & Body Works. But yeah, trying out the Victoria's Secret scents. I know they are under the same brand as Bath & Body Works, L brand, but the Bath & Body Works stuff is way stronger, so I do prefer them. Alright, next I have this giant bag full of stuff too. So let's just talk about OGX, because we have a lot from this brand. So we all know OGX for their hair care, but I guess not many people know that they have really good body care too, and you get huge sizes in these. So I did pick up the body wash. I have been trying this out. It is super moisturizing in the shower. But again, I don't feel like the scent like hangs on for a very long time. I feel like it is pretty light, which can be good if you're wanting to kind of layer it with other scents later, like when you get out of the shower with like your lotions and mist or something like that. But it's not really coconutty to me, but overall I do like the scent a lot. So I did pick that up in the body wash. I also picked up the lotion in this, which is just as huge. These are really nice as well. I really like the lotions. These are so cheap and you get so much product, so I would definitely recommend checking these out. I also picked up this scrub. This smells so good, you guys. So this is the Coconut Coffee Scrub and Wash, and they do have this in a lotion as well. But I love like coffee scents in the shower, but I don't know if I would want it on me throughout the whole day. But this literally smells like a delicious coffee shop or like a latte. I smell the coffee grounds, but it's not like gross coffee grounds. It smells like true rich coffee beans. It's so good, especially if you guys like coffee. This is going to be so nice in the morning. I haven't tried the formula yet, so I'm not sure how the scrub is. It looks like it would be a very light scrub, but I really enjoy this, and if you guys are a coffee lover, you have to check it out. It says it is exotic Arabica coffee and coconut oil. This might be my favorite one. It's so good, you guys. This is the Shea Soft and Smooth, and it looks kind of boring in here. Like you wouldn't know like this is a delicious scent, but if you look on the bottom, it says it leaves skin incredibly moisturized and lightly scented with notes of a vanilla and a warm, decadent frosted treat. This literally smells like vanilla frosting. It is so delicious. I wish I could compare it to something. It's just so good. Now, I was able to find the body wash at one of my smaller Walmart stores near me. So I don't know if they are phasing this one out. I really hope not, because it's so good. But I did find the body wash, and then I also ordered the lotion. I had to order this one on Walmart.com, but it did get to me. I think I paid a little bit extra for it, but I think it was worth it because it smells so good. Definitely one of the best sweet vanilla scents out there. So I did pick these up. If you guys can find them, I hope they're not getting rid of them because I love it. All right, next product. This one really caught me by surprise as well. This is by Dove, and it is their exfoliating body polish. These are seriously so hyped up on TikTok and YouTube. They are getting hard to find. I had to find this one too at one of my smaller Walmarts that not a lot of people go to, but this smells so good. This is by Dove, and I feel like this is just such a good quality scrub. It says that it is a deep scrub, but really it's pretty light compared to the Tree Hut. But I used this last night and it felt so good. I feel like it was very moisturizing as well. Super creamy. Just a really nice kind of cocoa butter scent is what I'm getting from this. I definitely want to try more from the line. I know that Burlington sometimes carries them. I just saw one at Burlington the other night. I think it was like a peach one. I don't know, I'll have to check it out, but these are good. I'm definitely going to be buying more, and I seriously go through scrub so fast now. So if you guys have any more recommendations for any other body care products that you just love that's affordable, definitely let me know. But don't sleep on Dove. They make amazing products. And then these bad boys, these might be my best finds of the haul. I know it's a little bit pricier because it is perfumes, but these are incredible quality for a very cheap price, and these are by Mixbar. You can find these at Target. I am doing a Target haul, so I might include these in there as well. I don't know which video is going to be up first, but these scents are 10 out of 10. You must get them. Now, they are trending on TikTok, so they are kind of sold out in most stores. So this one's the one that's always out of stock, Vanilla Bourbon. Oh my goodness, if you guys like vanilla scents, you need to get this. This reminds me a little bit of the Kayali by Huda Beauty vanilla. If you guys like that one, I feel like this is a pretty good dupe for it. Kind of similar to Flower Bomb with more vanilla instead of the like pepper note. But it is just yum, so delicious. And then I might like this one even more. No one's really talking about this one. I don't know if it's a newer one, but the Coconut Palm. I wasn't really sure about this one because of the coconut note. I'm not big on coconut scents, but you guys, this is literally sweet whiskey from Bath & Body Works, but take it up 5 notches. Incredible. And sweet whiskey is so impossible to find these days. I don't know if they're gonna bring it back, but it's one of my favorites that I discovered last year, and this is so good. Oh my gosh, I have to spray some, but these are also very strong. I think it's the palm note that just makes it so good, but as it dries down, it smells exactly like sweet whiskey. So good, you guys. I get a little bit of that sea salt too, but it's not really coconutty to me at all. It's very sweet and a little bit of tropical, so perfect for summer. But these seriously last on the skin all day. Definitely worth it. So that is it for this hygiene haul. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna go ahead and organize all this stuff, and I'll show you guys the finished organization in my bathroom. So I wanted to go over my storage. I just got this cute little bathroom cart at Marshall's. I think it was like $49 to store everything next to my shower because we just don't have a lot of storage in here at the moment. So on the top here, I put like all my open scrubs and body washes. So I've been using like multiple at once, which is fine. So like my Tree Hut ones, some Kopari, my Bath & Body Works ones I have open right now. I try to have like a clean scent, something sweeter and tropical for like spring summer. I have my OGX ones all here. And then this little shelf, this contains some of my, it's like a mixed drawer really, because it has hair masks in the back. I have a lot of Kerastase and Briogeo back there. And then some extra stuff like my Kopari coconut melt and my scrub, and then just a couple extra scrubs in there that didn't fit on the top cart. The bottom layer is just my hair shower products. So like a couple of hair masks that didn't fit are in here, and then any shampoos and conditioners I have quite a few. I always try different ones just because I love trying out different hair products. So that is what's in my little shower cart. I have this larger cabinet in my bathroom too. It's kind of older, but I do have just some things in there. There's also tons of stuff inside, which is a mess right now, so we won't go over that. My self-tan stuff is up here, and then I store extra stuff that's unopened up here. Like I just decluttered recently some of my shower gels, but I have like my soap stash here, my shower gel stash up here, some scrubs and stuff like that stored in here too. So that's it for this haul. Let me know any like hygiene videos you guys want to see, anything like that. I don't know if I'll do like a whole routine, maybe, we'll see. But anyways, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.